Hi, and welcome back. In this video we're going to have a look at a really powerful technique, and it's called the balcony technique. And it's really good for calming people down within a few seconds. It's great for panic attacks, and it's very, very good for any kind of anxiety in the moment. And it works in a few seconds. And this is one of the things to practice, because if you can get this down to 2 or 3 seconds, you can literally go bang, 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 anxiety gone. And it's that quick. So it's something to practice. So I'm going to take you through it twice. I'm going to take you through it slowly once and then really fast the second time. But you keep practicing. And as ever, there's a handout below here. So I just want you to sit down, close your eyes, and just imagine that actually you stood behind yourself right now looking down on the top of your head. So you stood there looking at the top of your head. I want you to see the top of your head. And as you're looking down on yourself and looking at the top of your head, you realise that actually you're on a small balcony looking down on the top of your head, so you're a little bit higher. The balcony is perfectly safe, it's completely solid, and there's a nice balustrade around it. So you look down on yourself, and you can just look down on yourself sitting there. And then as you're looking down on yourself from the balcony, you start to realise that behind you is a set of French windows or glass doors. And then you realise you're on the other side of the glass doors, looking through the glass doors at the back of the you that's on the balcony looking down. And just look through the glass and see the back of you looking down. That's great. And now as you're looking through the glass doors, or the French windows, you realise that you're in a ballroom. And actually it's the largest room you've ever seen in your life. It is massive and it's beautiful. Chandeliers, parquet flooring, wooden floors, but it is huge. And then you realise you're all the way back at the other end of the room, looking all the way down the room, this beautiful ballroom, at the little you that's looking through the glass doors. That's right. And then just notice how you feel right now, and I bet you're quite calm. And that's it. So we're going to go again, but this time I'm really going to speed it up. So just get the feeling of anxiety. Think about something that would make you anxious, because I want you to notice it going. I'll just give you a second to do that until you start to feel those kind of low-grade nerves down in the bottom. Brilliant. Right. So, and now you realise that you stood behind yourself looking at the top of your head. Look down at the top of your head, and as you look down at the top of your head, you realise that actually you're on a small balcony. You're looking down from the balcony at the top of your head, just sat there. And as you're looking from the balcony, you realise there's a set of glass doors behind you, and you're on the other side of the glass doors, looking through the glass at the you and the balcony, and just see yourself in the balcony. Then you realise that you're in a huge, big, long ballroom. Go right to the other end of the ballroom, look all the way down the ballroom at the little you that's looking through the glass doors, and then come back to now and notice how you feel. And that just took a couple of seconds. And it's something to really practice. Now, there are a few people who say they can't visualise it. It doesn't matter whether you actually see it or not. It's just knowing that it's happening. So you just go through the process and it removes you from the anxiety. And as I say, it's one to practice. I've used this a couple of times when I've kind of suddenly found myself in a situation and anxiety is being provoked. I've just gone bang, 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 anxiety gone, and I can get on with what I'm doing. That's it. Quick and easy. And as I say, it's one to practice. It's really good when you get in a difficult situation. Okay, take care, and I'll see you soon.